Hi, Carmyn.
Hi.
So if you can tell me, most likely, how was your experience right here at the clinic and with the staff and everything?
The clinic was amazing. The people are amazing. Changed my life, to be honest. You're gonna make me cry. It's unbelievable. Everything was amazing.
Are you happy with your?
I'm so happy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Carmyn.
Carmyn. Thank you.
Carmyn, would you recommend us with your friends or your family?
I recommend you. I already recommended it to my mom too, so they're probably going to give you an email here pretty shortly.
Nice.
Thank you very much.
you.
Can you just say goodbye, like bye, smile, makeover, and that's it?
Bye.